Is my mic micing? All right, here we go. You ready? This is Harbor Lake Estates, a brand new community here in Titusville. One of the things that's interesting about this community is it's offering something that we're not used to seeing here in Titusville. New construction, executive level homes, and even some multi-gen floor plans. We're just minutes from Kennedy Space Center. We're gonna go check out all of Harbor Lake Estates. Let's go. So Harbor Lake Estates is a Dr. Horton community here in Titusville. This is going to feature their Tradition series of homes. So these are more of an executive level home, larger home sites. You can see everything's got paver driveways, there's stonework on the houses, and there's 5 specific floor plans that you can choose from here in Harbor Lake Estates. One of my favorites is the Camden because it's a multi-gen. If you guys want to check that out, just stick around to the end of the video. I'll give you a tour of the Camden. But the 5 floor plans that they have in here, let me pull my notes up. You're gonna have the Camden, like I just mentioned, that's the multi-gen, the Crawford, the Redbud, the Torino, and the Hawthorne. Now these homes in Harbor Lake Estates are gonna range between 2,300 to about 3,900 square feet, and pricing is gonna start around $530 and range up to about $670. And as I mentioned, one of my favorite parts about this community are the home sites. 90% of the home sites here in Harbor Lake Estates are gonna have water views just like this. So you've got large home sites, big water views, not the same tiny ponds that you're used to seeing in a lot of the new development communities. The HOA fees here in Harbor Lake Estates are actually pretty reasonable. They'll come in right around $183 a month. And that's just gonna go to common area maintenance like the edges of the lakes, the community sign, roadways, etc. Now, if you're wondering what is nearby Harbor Lake Estates and where we actually are, we're gonna head back to the office and check it out. Now we're gonna dive into the maps and take a comprehensive look at where Harbor Lake Estates is in Titusville. And we're gonna look at things like proximity to the Space Center and other major employers, schools, shopping, and more. But if you are new here, my name is Joey Guest with Team Real Local, your go-to real estate crew here on the Space Coast in all of Central Florida. And we talk to people every single day, just like you, that are moving to the Space Coast, whether you're from out of state or within Florida and you're just looking to relocate and make that move. We'd love the opportunity to connect with you and see how we can help. I've got my contact information right here. Now, enough of that. Let me pull up the map right here. And we're gonna first start off and just zoom into Titusville. And you can see Harbor Lake Estates is right here. I'll zoom in a little bit more. And it's really centrally located in Titusville. Now, one of the key areas that we're gonna look at is that southern part of Titusville because there's a lot going on there as far as new development. And there's not only a ton of residential development, but a lot of commercial development as well. But since we're here, let's start off and look at schools. You're gonna have proximity to, well, of course you're gonna have proximity to schools, but your 3 schools, your 3 public schools that you're gonna be concerned about your proximity are Apollo Elementary, which is literally right next to the community right here. I mean, you could see, you could walk to Apollo from Harbor Lake Estates. Then right down the road here is Jackson Middle School. Again, just a couple minutes away. And then a little bit further northeast up here, right by the river, is gonna be Titusville High School. Now, I've also included Eastern Florida State College, specifically the 2 closest campuses. Those are gonna be the Titusville campus and the Cocoa campus. So let's zoom out here a little bit. You can see just to the north is going to be the Titusville campus of Eastern Florida. And then if we go further south down here into Cocoa, you're also going to have the Eastern Florida Cocoa campus. Not only that, but also the University of Central Florida Cocoa campus. Now, I've also included UCF's main campus in Orlando. Let's zoom out just so you can get an idea of proximity there. So if you've got somebody who's gonna be commuting to UCF, you can see right here, that's gonna still be about a 45-minute commute. Again, depending on UCF traffic, which is kind of crazy sometimes, you can add a lot of drive time there. And then to our south down in Melbourne, I've also got Florida Tech down here. So if you've got someone who needs to be commuting to Florida Tech, that's also gonna be about a 45-minute commute from Harbor Lake Estates. Now let's take a look at what shopping is gonna be close to Harbor Lake Estates. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna adjust our map here. And of course, there's a lot more shopping than this, but these are just some of the major retailers and shopping centers that are going to be in proximity right here. So let's zoom in a little bit more. And primarily your Highway 50 corridor right here is going to be your primary shopping corridor. So you can see you've got your Lowe's, your Walmart, your Target here at the Crossroads Marketplace. This is going to be your closest Publix right here. But then also a couple new things worth noting are the Titus Landing Shopping Center, where the IMAX movie theater is, and then the Titusville Resort Destination. Now this is a current development project. It's not complete yet, but this is where the old mall used to be. And there's actually a big retail and residential hub that's being built right there. I'm not gonna really go too much into that in this video, but did want to highlight that it is something that's coming up. And then just to the north here, there is another Publix. This will most likely not be the Publix that you shop at. Now, let's look at some of the, I want to say the more exciting stuff. Let's focus on proximity to the Space Center, major employers, and some of these new developments that are going to come in here. So the first thing we're going to focus on is the Exploration Spaceport. Okay, this is going to be the corridor where Lockheed Martin, Boeing, Astrotech are currently operating, and they've got new facilities that are being developed there. But let's go ahead and zoom in here and kind of take a look at everything that's right here in this corridor. So first thing that you'll notice is the Space Coast Regional Airport. So this isn't a public airport, but this is kind of the hub which all the other development is happening around, the aerospace development. You've got Lockheed Martin's main campus is right here, Astrotech. You've got Lockheed's new facility right here, the Star Center. This is Boeing's headquarters right here for their aerospace division. This is all right here off of US 1. And then these are some of the new developments that are underway. So this is Spaceport Commerce Park. I know it's kind of cut off here on the screen, but this is going to be a huge commercial development, a commercial park. And then you've also got the Space Coast Innovation Park. That's going to be in these three bottom phases right here. So I zoom in, you can see just how big that is. So when we kind of take a quick zoom back out and look at the proximity, you could see this is all going to be less than 10 minutes away right there. And then if we want to start focusing on commuting to the Space Center or the Space Force Station, if you work out there, let's go ahead and look. I mean, this is going to be your primary route right here. Let me adjust my map a little bit, but this is going to be the NASA Causeway. So you can see here, it's just south of Harbor Lake Estates. And then another thing that we're going to take a look at are the actual gates to get to the Space Center. So if you're coming here for work and you know where you're going to be working, or at least you want to have an idea of what your access points are going to be like, understanding which gates to access the Space Center from are going to be important for you. So you can see here, this is going to line you up perfectly with gate 3, which is actually right by the main complex and the visitor center. Let's just go ahead and turn all this stuff on the map so you can get an idea right here. But here's your visitor center. This is Blue Origin's big rocket factory. There's SpaceX operations. We'll take a look at some of the pads that are over here. But you can see here to the north, this is the big vehicle assembly building where they're building the Artemis 2, and they're going to start building the Artemis 3 rocket there pretty soon. Here's Complex 39A, LC41 right here for ULA. And then over here on the Space Force Station side of things, you've got Blue Origin's Rocket Park, you've got Relativity is now on pad 13, and then you can see the South Gate down here, which is right by the port. So if we zoom back out a little bit, it'll give you a better idea of how everything lays out and what the proximity is like. Now let's look at beaches. What is your proximity to the beach is going to be? So really you're going to have two main access points. You're going to either have Playlinda to the north or the Cape Canaveral beaches to the south. And you can see here Titusville, where it's kind of located, you don't really have a direct eastern shot to the beaches. But if you want to go to your closest beach, that's going to be right here in Playlinda, you are going to have to go through the National Seashore. There is a gate here, which is sometimes closed, but Playlinda will be your closest beach. But if you want to get to the Cape Canaveral beaches, you're probably looking at about a 20 to a 25 minute commute right here to those Canaveral beaches. Now, as far as other things go, like the airports or the cruise port, you can see we've got Port Canaveral pulled up right there, but we've also got the Sanford International Airport. A lot of people are booking flights into Sanford right now that are coming to the Space Coast. You can see that's up here to the north. So to get from the Sanford Airport to Titusville, you're probably looking at about 30 to 40 minutes. Orlando International Airport, MCO, is right here as well. Believe it or not, that's actually a pretty quick shot because you do have the 407 connector. Let me zoom in so you can see that. Right here off of 95, that connects you to 528. And then you've got a straight shot right over here to the airport. And then to the south in Melbourne Orlando International Airport, or MLB. Actually a lot of really good direct flights into MLB now as well. So if you're looking to avoid some of the crowds with Orlando International Airport, definitely recommend checking out Sanford or Melbourne. See what kind of flights are going in there. All right, now let's take a look into hospitals. I get a lot of questions about what hospitals are around or what hospitals are in proximity to different neighborhoods. Your primary hospital for Titusville is going to be Parish Medical Center right here. And you can see that's going to be about 10 minutes away from Harbor Lake Estates. But if you are looking for the closest VA clinic, that is going to be down here in Vieira. Let me zoom back out so I can try to get all this on the same map. But here's your VA clinic right down here. That's probably going to be about a 20 to a 25 minute commute from Titusville into Vieira for the VA clinic. Okay, so that should give you a general idea in regards to what is in proximity to Harbor Lake Estates. So let's go ahead and zoom back into the original community right here. As we mentioned earlier, you can see that the majority of the home sites in here are going to be waterfront home sites on these big lots. Again, this is an executive level community that Dr. Horton is building. We'll put the drone footage up here again so you can kind of get a refresher on what the home sites look like. And actually that Camden multi-gen home that I promised to take you in is right around this location right here. So we're going to go take a look at that in just a minute. But Harbor Lake Estates, at this point, I think you have a good understanding of the location play right here. And in fact, it's probably one of the strongest plays in the county for the right person. If you're an aerospace or defense professional, Blue Origin, SpaceX, Lockheed Martin, or any of the other major contractors at KSC, this community puts you inside 15 minutes to Gate 3 at Kennedy Space Center. And if you're looking at the growth that's coming, that matters. Right now, Lockheed Martin is actively adding 300 jobs. SpaceX is bringing 600 gigabay positions, and Blue Origin's already running close to 4,000 positions across the county. And Harbor Lake Estates is strategically offering executive level homes for under $650,000. So if you're relocating from California or Texas or the Northeast, and you're going to be working at KSC or Cape Canaveral Space Force Station, or even close to the Exploration Spaceport area, this is a community that you need to take a look at. Now, speaking of taking a look, I know I promised you a tour inside of the multi-gen Camden home, and we're gonna go take a look at that right now, and you can join us for that right here. I'll see you there.